Connor Hurtis, and I will be presenting Block 3 presentation for ITM. Today I will be talking about IT jobs, information security types, and ethics in IT. There are many different jobs today that are not just considered typical writing code. Some jobs in the market today are occupations such as computer information research scientists who invent and design new approaches to computing technology and find innovative uses for existing technology, computer network architects who build data communication networks, computer programmers who write code to create software programs, computer support specialists who provide help and advice to people who organize using computer software or equipment, computer system analysis who study organizations' current computer system and procedures and design information systems solutions to help the organization operate more efficiently and effectively. There are also database administrators who use specialized software to store and organization data, such as financial information and customer shipping records, information security analysis, who protect an organization's computer networks and network and computer system administrator, who are responsible for the day-to-day operation of these networks, software developers who are creating computer programs, and web developers who design and create websites. There are plenty of jobs outsourced from the American market, but some are still very vital to the positions and even seem admirable and measured to be dreams of some individuals. My next topic is information security types. Information security, sometimes shortened to InfoSec, is a way of defending information for an unauthorized access, use, disclosure, modification, disruption, pursual, inspection, recording, or destruction. The term information security types is a general term that can be applied to any form of data, whether it is electronic or physical. The different ways the security management works is catered to how different companies will use it, and obviously, if it will be increased with the intensification of action between businesses. There are many different companies when it comes to the system, but the overall coverage is meant to accomplish the same goal. Information security types are used in everyday online computing sites like Facebook. Even though they use these systems to keep their information secure, technology is still obsolete with a matter of time, meaning that there are still ways to cyber threats and hackers to make their way around them. These things they have done to stray away from this are getting updates within their system and around the clock. My next topic is ethics in IT. Ethics in information technology is all about doing what's right or wrong on the internet, or how we use it. Laws forbid lenders to discriminate on the basis of race, gender, or sexuality. They can refuse to give a loan to people whose Facebook friends have bad payment histories, if their work histories or LinkedIn does not match their bios on Facebook, or if a computer algorithm judges them to be socially undesirable. There are gaps like this in the law to keep from such advances in technology. Using the internet is to get something that is unlawful is just one example of how ethics in information technology needs to be regulated in some way. When it gets to a more serious thing like hacking into the White House's security system, that's when things can turn for the worst. Internet access is not a right, it's a privilege. When any individual signs into the internet or opens an internet browser, there is an option to do anything they desire, which is why there is such a necessity for ethics in the internet world today. Just because you have the ability to do something doesn't mean you should always do it. This presentation has included information on jobs in IT, information security, and ethics in IT. Thank you.